We believe designers are ready to move beyond plastics. We want to be able to work with more materials. Organic materials, like wood. Alloys, like aluminum. But we need a tool for this. A tool that can get work done. A tool that leaves a superior finish. We need a tool that can reach millions of angles. We need a tool for the finest of detail. A tool that makes our lives easier. Introducing the Pocket NC, the first 5-axis milling machine designed for your desktop. The Pocket NC is made from only billet alloy aluminum and the most quality components of their type. Our way of making machines may not be the fastest or the cheapest, but it yields the best possible product, and we definitely have an appreciation for doing things the right way. The Pocket NC mill is currently designed, machined, and assembled in our garage here in the heart of Montana. We've spent over 4 years designing the Pocket NC. Now, we need your support so we can take this machine beyond development.
Stepcraft is the next generation of desktop creative tools. It will inspire you by allowing you to go from idea to reality in just minutes. We all have great ideas, and bringing them to life is now possible for everyone. Stepcraft is different because it can transform from one CNC machine into another in seconds.
Creating things has never been easier. To show you, we've broken it down into 3 easy steps. First, design your project. Now we know that no one likes learning difficult software, so we made Stepcraft work seamlessly with top-rated programs that you already know and love. It doesn't matter if you're using CAD software or programs like Inkscape or CorelDRAW. Stepcraft is universal. Second, choose your material and tool. With over 7 completely different interchangeable tools available, you'll never run out of possibilities, and the machine will never become obsolete. Click Start, and the machine will make it for you. It's never been easier to go from idea to finished product, and no tool gives you more options or capabilities. You can use the 3D print head for rapid prototyping or to make thousands of useful projects that you can use every day. Turn your Dremel into a precision 3D carver and mill. The high-power spindle makes quick work of materials like aircraft aluminum, carbon fiber, wood, and of course plastic is a breeze.
The hot wire cutter makes working with difficult materials like foam sheets effortless, and it gives professional results in seconds. Stepcraft will change the way you think. We've all spent countless hours trying to make things by hand, and manually holding a tool is far from precise and can often be dangerous. Whether you're a modeler, a business owner, or a parent looking to give your child the ultimate creative tool, Stepcraft is the key to unlocking imagination, innovation, and success.
Stepcraft was designed in Germany with 3 goals in mind. First, they wanted to create the highest quality, all-in-one CNC machine possible. All parts are designed and manufactured to aerospace tolerances, and many components are hand-fit from the factory. Second, it had to be easy to build and simple to operate. Assembly takes just a few hours and is a pleasure because of the world-class manual that takes you through every step of the way. 3, it had to be affordable. Stepcraft, with all the optional parts, costs far less than what you may expect. What we've ended up with is a machine that's beautiful, quiet, clean, incredibly accurate, yet it gives you limitless freedom to create.
With over 2,000 machines sold since 2013, Stepcraft has become the most popular CNC machine in Europe. Now we want to take it to the next level by putting our newest design into production and bringing it to the North American market. And that's why we came to Kickstarter. With over 40 refinements, Stepcraft 2 will be more than twice as fast, 40% more rigid, and allow an even larger workspace for your project.
With your support, we can develop an enclosure with easy access from multiple angles, order materials for bulk manufacturing, and create tutorial videos so that everyone can get the most out of their Stepcraft machine. All sales, support, and service will be available right here in the States. And with a successful Kickstarter campaign, we can have the first wave of Stepcraft 2 machines ready to ship as early as mid-2015.
So here's the best part. Your support for Stepcraft 2 marks the beginning of something really special. It's a new kind of creative revolution where people like you and I can dream and create like never before. Gifts, crafts, school projects, and new business ideas will never be the same. So join us, and as you become inspired, we look forward to finding out, what will you create?
Boxey is a desktop makerspace, bringing the power of a 1¼ horsepower CNC mill, a laser cutter, and a 3D printer as an all-in-one machine. Each tool exists as a rapid change attachment, providing the user the ability to switch from mill to laser to 3D printer in just moments. Our vision is to break the barriers for makers by equipping them with the creative power of a personal machine shop that is small, affordable, and easy to use. While immersed in the thriving startup ecosystem of Pittsburgh, my brother and I discovered the need for Boxey. Here we joined a rich maker scene and gained access to the specialized manufacturing tools accessible through fab labs and makerspaces like Tech Shop. We were inspired by the powerful new tools and access to manufacturing level machines offered by makerspaces, and we wanted more. So we focused our attention on creating a series of high quality desktop tools that embody the precision and the features that were once only accessible to large companies, with the purpose of making those machines available at the price makers, inventors, students, and designers can afford. And thus, Boxey was born. Boxey has the precision and reliability of a professional machine. With an industry-leading movement resolution of 4 microns, we sourced industrial ball screws, manufactured all aluminum components, and added stainless steel hardware, and then assembled them into an all-aluminum anodized body, creating the sturdiest, most accurate machine on the market, and one accessible to the average maker. Boxey can shape most materials you can source, from plastics to hardwoods to metals. Boxey is a true personal makerspace, allowing creators to move rapidly through design iterations and empowering small businesses to produce individualized products for customers. Boxey gives fabricators the ability to fuse methods, switching rapidly from 3D printing to CNC milling to laser cutting the very same component. To accomplish this, we designed Boxey to integrate all 3 tools into one clean, easy-to-use interface. Boxey is precise, durable, and reliable, and so easy to use that fresh makers can create complex components. With Boxey, we've decoupled professional, quality creation from location and decentralized the power of precision manufacturing. Boxey is a mobile machine shop, a desktop makerspace.
With your help, we can start manufacturing Boxey and give everyone access to professional level maker tools.
Kickstart Boxey so we can make your space a makerspace. Now's the time to think inside the box.
I'm Danielle Applestone.
And I'm Mike Guesty.
And we work at a place called Other Lab, which is an R&D firm out of San Francisco. And for the past year, we've worked on low-cost digital fabrication machines.
And we've designed a miniature mill that's light enough to carry with you on public transport, but still strong enough to cut metal.
The other mill is a desktop CNC machine. It was originally designed just for PCBs. The bed size is roughly 5 inches by 4 inches, and there's 2 inches of Z travel. Flexures are built into the linear rails for adjustment to get perfect alignment. The machine is really simple, quiet, efficient, and easy to use.
It's as simple as taking a board, set it on the bed, load up a board file, position it, and hit go. And then it will cut your board out. It's really easy to build carrier boards for sensors or switches, front panel displays, button carriers. This makes prototyping custom circuits and designs a lot easier. 3D printing is an additive manufacturing process where you stack up layers of material to get a particular shape. And it's a very limited number of materials that you can use. A mill is a subtractive process. You cut away the material.
In addition to being able to cut PCB boards really well, it's also useful for cutting metal and wood and plastic, so you can do all kinds of things like engraving or making your own molds, casting, things like that. So it has a lot of applications even outside of electronics. We have expertise in software, mechanical engineering, and community development.
We have the tools in-house needed to make these machines for the first batch here in San Francisco.
To bring these machines to you at a price that we think is affordable, we need your support.
To help buy materials and get volume discounts and to build out our factory. Thanks for watching.